Well, let's talk more about Riway. So Riway nurtured many talents. Riway nurtured many talents. So we always say that this it is a venue where we can it is a venue to hone our skills for a teacher. For example, me, if I did not give up that passion, I'm still doing my struggling tutorial, teaching like that. And then I only discovered that I only have one talent. It could be teaching. But when I already in Riway and started to attend all the events that I am qualified within the team and international events, I started to realize that I have other skills. Same also with with other people who are already here. You can say, well, majority can say that it's so difficult, so they give up Freeway, they go to another company selling direct selling, multi-level networking like that, what do you call that, cheaper products, okay, lower income, okay, no other opportunity to grow personally and with their business and social skills. Unlike in Riway, okay, you notice our logo, the six core values, the lines, it is actually the antler of the deer, because that is our main source. This is the source of our stem cells inside the capsule. So it nurtured many talents. So people here become speakers. You notice that the higher your rank, the company will give you chance, okay, to speak in a big audience. So yeah, stem cell is the secret of rich and famous. And here in Riway will make you rich and famous. That's really true. The higher you become, the more people you talk to, the more people here the higher people here, the top leaders here become so humble. So the more you achieve your rank, okay, the more people you help, okay, have their pure cheer therapy, and of course to have a change of life. So it is a venue indeed that can nurture our talents. Some people are good into inviting guests, some people are good into presentation, some people are good into training and seminars. They are coaches because they can do training and seminars. So we have different skills, but um, as a team, okay, because Reway is a team building team, okay, we contribute, each of one can contribute for the success of the team. So it is true that together we learn, together we become successful. So you cannot wait for your upline, you cannot wait for your leader, for someone else to invite you to attend the seminars, the trainings, the regular events. If you want to lead your people, you want to have a different level in life, okay, you have to be independent. So you must take the lead because you are the leader. You become a leader. That's why we call ourselves leader. We don't call ourselves distributors because we are not distributing the product. So the moment that you buy the product, you automatically have an international business franchise, so that you have the chance to get to have your ROI, return of investment. So in here, we have there are a lot of people like in my team, okay, she is already a senior. She was consistently earning six digit in Reway. But in Reway, if you're earning 100,000, that's nothing, because if you are earning that, it means you're only like very few people, you help only very few people to you introduce the effort. The effort is not much because you introduce only to one or two people. However, if you hit that rank in that month, it means that you able to reach and convince so many people, a number of people, maybe seven or eight people, to join the business, to take peer cheer. Our kalaban in the market is not the packet but the mindset. It's how we present the product, the benefit of the product equivalent to its price. So if you notice, the ingredients of the product is very rare, and Railway International has its own plantation in New Zealand. What direct selling or malt or food supplement company has plantation and six modern technologies in New Zealand. Only Riway, I can say that. Now, aside from that, the company is so generous. That's why when I joined Rayway, I only shell out one time for the one for that one set therapy, the amount account, and then I work it out. Although the training was not so, it was far different compared to the trainings that we have right now. So what I'm trying to say is embrace the culture, learn about the company. If you are not yet in this company, let me know how to help you. But in here, we introduce to you the opportunity. It's up to you to work for it. We are all here to guide you as your team, as your direct sponsor, as a company. You better connect to the company, to your leaders. Okay, just follow, and then you will see that you will also have the same result as them. So the success is for everyone, and the only key for this is Riway International. This is the only company I met in my existence in this earth. Okay, that this company can help me, and I witness how people change their life, how people improve their life and recovered from their health through our product. So our product is non-comparable to any of the food supplement in the market, because our product is live stem cell inside the capsule, that even infant or newborn baby can take the product safely, and even the oldest person in your house can take the product safely. So this is just the key to open a wonderful life in Riway. So give yourself a chance, discover what else you want to do, regardless if you are already in your senior or just starting your life.